Hello and welcome to some more Satisfactory. Today we are going to focus on getting this train all the way around. We need it to go from up here, down to here, and then back and up and over. So kind of it's going to be delivering, I think, 3 products, if I remember correctly. It's going to have the quick wire here that will be delivering back. It's got the... what was over here? Oh yeah, the silica that it will be delivering back. We are going to make the circuit boards down here, I believe. It was over here, somewhere over here. I'm gonna make, let me this up. So this is our goal, because we ultimately want to get to the high-speed connectors, which we can make about 33 per minute. I did realize with the turbo fuel we do need the compacted coal. I don't know why I thought that was going to be an output that we can just sink. No, that's required. So I did set this up. So we are going to make the turbo fuel, which is also the plastic. We're actually going to make it over here. I think we have it up here. We have oil there. We don't have sulfur over there, though. Thought I seen a place we could... oh, there's the sulfur. That's where I saw it. So I don't know if we need to bring in a train. I mean, that's not too far away, I don't think. Because we will need the coal and sulfur. I mean, the coal is right here, too. We'll probably use this one, since this one's next to an iron. This would be good for steel. So we do have this for the compacted coal, I think. And the oil's there. So, for the plastic, then if we make the copper sheets and stuff, and the circuit boards over in this general area, I think that'll be the best thing to do. But yeah, we currently have 1,000 silica per minute making up here in this new area that we just made last time. Sorry, no, up here. Further up here we made it. This is for the aluminum right there. So yeah, we need a train system because this is quite a bit of a ways to travel for a truck. So thought a train would be good to get that. And we also need the Caterium ore, because we really did not have much Caterium. We did have one way over here and one down here, but that is being used. So we currently have 3 available to us that we know of where they're at anyway from our radars. But yeah, I just need to get that train. But I think I'm going to have the train track actually go that way. Kind of wrap around this stone here and then take off that way. So if we ever do an expansion on the train or something, we'll be able to take off that and take it that way. A little bit easier. So I'm kind of trying to think about the future too. So let me go ahead and get rid of this part here, because this was going to be too far going that way before we can get a train track, and we need it right here. This is where the Caterium ore is. So let's try to get this situated. Get rid of that. I think that one... no, I'll start turning it sooner than that. Whoops. I need to do the filter here. There we go. Okay. And we'll get rid of that too. And that. So yeah, we need to drag some foundations that way. How many? I don't know. We like foundations. Okay. So you can go about 12, I think, is how many foundations. But since it's going around a corner, we'll probably do like 10 over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kind of do it there to start. We can probably turn a little bit sharper than that, though, can't we? This might be too far away, though. I don't know how many it is this way. We'll find out. I keep forgetting we have to change it to Zoop every time we select the concrete pillars. That's gonna be too steep, I'm willing to bet. But you never know till you try, right? Yeah, it's gonna be too steep. And too far away. It can only go to there. So we need to build it about there. That's what I was afraid of. I thought I got it a little bit too far away. Let me build this out some more. Okay. So probably here. Probably be fine to get around this corner, maybe. I do want to attach a thing on it, just so I can continue doing the hovering. Because it's a lot easier to be able to hover to do this. It's too steep, so we need to raise it up maybe 2 more. We'll kind of go up a little bit at a time. Still too steep. What's it look like? Oh, that is pretty bad. Okay, I didn't realize it was that bad. Alright, we'll go like 3 more up then. I don't like dealing with tracks at all. Okay. Let's go up 2 more. It's gonna take forever to get down there. I really wanted to come down sooner, but you can't. I had tried coming down through there, but there's that whole cliff right there. It would clip through that. This is really our only option to do if I want to come through there, which I really want to, so... There we go. Okay. See, I want to see if I can't turn it a little bit more that way. Since it's kind of going towards there, so it can wrap around there and get turned. Perfect-ish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know if I can go that far down here, though. Try that, because I'm going diagonal. I don't know. It's only 8. I can probably go further than that. We just need to get... I'm gonna run out of fuel here. At least you can glide down. That's pretty nice. Okay. Let's bring this over here. Alright, we'll try like 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll just try right there. Maybe that'll be fine. So yeah, if I bring a track through here or something, we can kind of connect. Maybe we need to go further that way. I really don't want to... It might be better to go that way and then around. Just go further. So then if we do connect another track, we can connect to it or have it kind of go off. We'll use the same track and just kind of go off into a different direction. I guess we can do that from up here too. I guess it don't matter. Oh, it is too long. Alright, we can't do the... So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6... Maybe, I think about 7. But when it's diagonal. That's gonna be too steep. Maybe 2 more. Hey, there we go. Let me, whoops. Just kind of see. I think we'll kind of turn it that way a little bit. Okay. I don't think we need... Well, we're going to need more foundations, but let me see where this needs to go first. About there. On the safe side. Awesome. Gonna need more power. Let me put it on this side. There we go. Ah, we're getting there. Yeah, I'm definitely glad I decided to go this way, because it would have been a long distance that way before we could put the train station down and then having to haul that all the way over there. I mean, it would have just been with the conveyor belt, but I'd rather do it this way. Alright, let's zoop that way, and then I kind of want the track to go... Whoops. Let me bring over some more of that. More power. I'll be deleting these power poles. This is just so I can hover to do this easier. Oops. We'll be going... They're kind of on this side of that. Unless we can fit through there. We can probably fit through there. Oh, crap. I think we can. So right here. Let's go that way. And this is the height we will be at. We're not going to go any lower than this. So kind of at the highest peak is that hill right there for this area. So then we can build all the foundations out from there. Okay. So I'm going to try just putting it there. I'm not going to count. I'm just going to put and see. I think we can probably be safe putting it right there. So I'd like to get to a point where it's just one of these and just one concrete pillar. I mean, then it will have to go down into the train station, but I don't know if I want these on the... I mean, we could go a little higher simply so we can drive underneath of it so it's not going to be in the way. So we might put the train a couple high. That might be a good idea to do. Let's turn it that way. Perfect. Alright, let's attach one of these powers to it. Oh, there we go. Whoops. Let's put it there. Well, I think we can go a little bit further, though. I think we can go 12 if it's straight. Dang it. I really need the... I need to keep bringing the power with us. Okay. I think you can go 12. That's what I think I counted last time. If we do straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the way at the end. Okay. I'm gonna see if we can't just do... We can probably just do 2 now. There we go. Alright, we're gonna turn it though. Is that as far as it'll turn? Why is it not turning? Oh, there it goes. Oh, I thought you could turn it on, in this mode where you cannot be able to inspect like that. I thought I did turn it, but oh well. See, I think that's high enough. I think stuff would be able to. I guess one way we can test it. The biggest things are these trucks, but... Oh, we could actually just do 1 then, can't we? I think even just with 1, it would fit under there just fine. Okay. Perfect. Please attach, thank you. See how we're gonna kind of go around this here. Whoops. Why? There we go. Oh, it was in the autosave. Sometimes it can kinda... Because I clicked, but I clicked right when it was autosaving, so it probably hitched right then and didn't register the click. Okay, let's get this on this side here. Thankfully we have the steel beams and the pipes in the cloud, so that we shouldn't run out. We should be fine. Perfect. Now that it's here, I will double check just with the truck here. This is the biggest one. Oh yeah, it fits under just fine. So we'll just use 1 when it's flat. Alright, let's get back over here. I don't want to cover that up though. I want to steer clear of that a little bit. Can I just connect that to that? Of course it's too long. Okay. I think we can probably... I don't know if the miner... Let me see if the miner will fit right there with... If we can go completely over it or not. Production... There it is. Oh, of course we need the... that thing, but... I think we're actually fine on height. I'll actually be able to see it better if we actually go over it. Now let's look at it. Not an oil extractor, miner. It looks like it'll fit. Perfectly. Oh yeah, cool. So yeah, we can cover that up then. Alright, let's get this all zooped out. Okay. That, we're probably gonna have to turn it that way. Look, what the heck happened there? Let's get rid of that. Went up a little. Oh, I must have started right there. Whoops. Okay. So yeah, let's zoop this so it can kind of turn around this. Don't need to take it into that rock though. Not all the way into the rock anyway. Alright, we do need to get past that, so I'll put it about right here, and then it can turn away from that. Okay. So train station, let's see where we're gonna put that quickly. I'm thinking we can go ahead and grab that, I suppose. Okay. So we got the train now. The train track, anyway. We can probably put the train station kind of above the water. I just want to leave enough room for the factories and everything. So we'll have multiple factories over here, because this is all like iron and... of course the Caterium. I think it's all the rest of it's iron. Oh, and there's a coal, too. Yeah, iron. I didn't even see the... yeah, iron. Okay. See, I think the train station could be kind of on just this section here, probably. Maybe a little bit closer. The train can just kind of go that way. Because I don't think there's any nodes along the... yeah, there's no nodes along here. We might kind of go around this, on this side, though. I just don't want the train to go over the nodes, which I mean it don't matter too much, though. Okay, so we need... train station... oh yeah, it's down here. We need wire. Of course we need... I thought I had wire going into the, cloud. I guess not. Okay. So we do need to go pick up some of that. Is there anything else I needed? So yeah, we need wire. We have everything else. We need some more motors, apparently. For the other stuff we will be making. What's a buffer stop? Prevents trains from derailing at the end of... oh, okay. I don't know if that's new. I mean, new since early access. That's when I mainly played this game, was before 1.0. I don't remember the buffer stop. That's cool. Alright. And hopefully the signals I'll try to learn. I never understood them. I don't know if they've changed much since 1.0. Yeah, this is definitely... I have not done trains since update 8 in early access, so... I don't know if anything's changed or not. Hopefully for the better if it did. So yeah, let's head back. Get the wire, get some more motors. Be cool if we could get like a flying vehicle. That'd be cool. I didn't get teleporters, I believe, sometimes portals to help you traverse the map. I don't think that was a mod that I had seen somebody using. Alright, we made it back. So the train won't be too bad to bring over here. There's plenty of room. I think we'll take the train up there. Because there's a lot of empty space up there. Okay, so motors over here, then wires... okay, we do have wire right here, don't we? Yeah, okay. So let me just grab 2 stacks just so we have some. And we do need more motors. Although that, for the oil extractor, We actually don't need that or the refinery over where we're at, because we, like I said, we're going to move it over here. Since we do need the, to make the compacted coal so we can actually use turbo fuel this time. So, yeah. And I'm going to make, more than this. I'm going to make all 600 per minute just so we have extra. So I will disconnect that so we can see how many machines we need. So yeah, this stuff, those are the two things we've got done. We're working on the Caterium ore now, which will have 1,000 per minute at the full speed. And I did find out something. We can actually see parts per minute. That's going to be a lot easier if we need to underclock or something. Instead of seeing like the 16.67, we can actually just type in 1,000. That's really cool. I had just found that right before I started streaming, so good thing to find. So yeah, do I even need motors then if we're not going to do those now? I don't think so. Let me just... Can I just put 0? It'll go away? Hey, that works. Cool. But the smelters, we still need... How much would this... Man, I think it's... Yeah, it's still going to be 1,000 no matter what. Okay. So yeah, it looks like we need 13 those. Oh yeah, I was going to make 14 and then underclock because I really like having the even number. And then we need 17. Well, 16 and we'll overclock one. Again, sticking with the even number. 16 overclock, so 16 of the assemblers. No, constructors, right? Yeah, constructors. Sorry. So 16 of these. Make sure we have enough stuff to make them. Perfect. Okay. And that does need more wire. I think we're fine though. Okay. Should we grab some more cable? Cable's always... We have that in the cloud, don't we? We have cable in the cloud. Never mind. Beautiful. We did that last stream too, yesterday. Yeah, we put cables, steel pipes, and... I think something else in the cloud? I don't remember. We don't have encased industrial beams in the cloud anymore, though. We should put those back some point. I don't know if we really need them much, though. I just had them in the cloud when I needed them for, Yeah, we should go this way. For conveyor belts. That got replaced by the aluminum. Since we got the MK5... Now, and I have the overclock stuff, right? Yes, I have 27 of them. That is plenty. We only need like 4 of them, so... Yeah, we can kind of take the train kind of along the edge, maybe kind of through here. Figure that out as we get here, but... I like the idea of kind of bringing it along the ocean. And running out of fuel. It's not really as far over here as I thought it was, which is good. Using the beach is kind of more of a straight shot over here, so... I don't know if using a vehicle is faster than doing this. I don't know. But a vehicle can't fly up on here, though, so... Alright, let's get the truck station. Now, for the station, for those up there, we do need to see how to set the train station. We need to see how to set it up, because it's going to be delivering multiple products. And we need to make sure we get the train station set up correctly. Hey, Mizzard, yeah. It sucks. But we finally got that down. That was where I was struggling, was to get it down from way up there to here. But I just kind of wrapped it around that rock thingy. Let's go back, because I need to see which train style. I think we need it on like the third, because it's kind of 3 train cars, I think. Actually, maybe only 2, because I don't think we're doing the We could still do the copper over here. Do I have copper right up here? No, I don't. Way up there. There's none right here. Okay. So what was I going to build over here? I think maybe we're just doing the silica then. Yeah, we're doing the silica there. We'll do the quick wire here. And we're going to do the rest over near the base. So we only need 2. So we might be making some changes over here. Because I think I set that up to get 2 products instead of just 1. So let's head back over here. Delete one of the... So we might have... No, we do have 2. Yep. I keep going back and forth in my mind, but no, we did set up 2. So just do 1. Alright. So here's our silica. And there's our train stop to pick up the silica. But, yep, I have 2. I have 1 right there. Only need 2, so let me actually move this over to there. I don't know if you need an extra platform, an empty one, if there's 2 train cars. But it'll look better with 2 anyway. Okay, so that's good now. So we need an empty one and then the storage thing. So it fills up the second car, not the first. I'm gonna try avoiding signals though. Maybe I'll do a 1 track for every train, just a separate track. Then I don't have to use signals. That'd probably be stupid. It's what I used to do, but that was back when I think I only had like 2 trains going, so that wasn't bad. But once you get more, you're gonna want to share some tracks eventually. Yeah. Yep. And I got really bad luck with the Caterium. In all of this, I have 3 Caterium nodes. One's way over here, and then the one way over here, and then only 1 down there. I don't know how many there generally is in an area, but Caterium sucks right now. They're probably all bunched up somewhere else. Alright, so the track is right there, so yeah, we'll probably bring this around. Yeah, I'll put the train station like here-ish. Let me move that. Train station. Nah. Doesn't really matter where I put it. Just put it there. Then I need a empty platform. And I need electricity. And then I need a freight platform facing that way. Yeah, me neither. So we're on the same page there. Oh, does that empty platform have one with the... It doesn't. Oh, empty platform with catwalk. Catwalk's what I want. So it actually connects that catwalk up there. There we go. That looks better. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay. So that's on the second one, so it'll fill up the second train car. Let's get this connected. I do want to keep using these so it can... So any vehicles, if I have any, can go underneath of it. Right there sounds good. I think do one more that kind of goes... This might be too far away. That might not work. I'm going to try it though, and that is kind of off-center. I'm going to move that. It's like a foot off, but I'm going to make sure the track's in the center. I did not think of that. Why is there a hole right there? I need electricity. There we go. Alright. Train station. Make sure this is centered this time. Looks good. Then we need the empty platform with those. And then we need a freight platform. Other side. There we go. Now we can probably do it this way. This might... I'm just worried about the turning. The turn. Oh, nope. Turn's actually fine. Perfect. I probably don't need to take it down yet. Let's kind of go over... I wonder how far over I can go. Just so if I have a truck, I can have it go underneath to get over here if I need it to. Whoops. Forgot the... This might be too steep. That kind of on the edge. Nope, perfect. Beautiful. So I'll try to remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the 6th one away from the train station. That'll probably be the same for that way too. Try to remember 6. Okay. Yay! We got that part done. Now we gotta go all the way around. back to the quartz factory over there. Silica. But while we're here, we might as well get this station up. This factory. I'll do the same color as the one I did over there, because I kind of really liked it. Alright. I didn't bring the, I need to make an equipment thing. I forgot to bring the portable miner thingies, so we can actually make a miner. But we can build an equipment workshop here. Make some portable miners. I do need some electricity underneath. A lot of these, I'm not going to be keeping that, though. The one that goes, the electricity that goes all the way around there, I'm not keeping that. I only had that for the hoverboard, or the hover pack, whatever you want to call it. So we can actually destroy that. I mean, this obviously needs to stay, but I need to kind of move it a little bit. I'm going to fall. Never mind, I'm not going to fall. Power line, we can destroy these. Alright, that's fine for now. Let's bring this over here. Can these go under? Actually, this could go like right there. Never mind, it can't. Too long. Could now, though. I don't want to move that one. You know, bringing the wire all along the train track like this would actually be kind of cool. Instead of using poles everywhere, just connect it along here. Yeah, don't need this though. Okay, not gonna worry about the rest right now. And I'm gonna bring this one straight under here. That looks fine. Now we got some under here, which is actually where I'll be bringing power for the hover pack. We can just kind of line down here with a bit of power. Okay, that should be enough for the moment. Let's get the miner in. Production. Miner MK2. Let's get it overclocked to 600. Let's get it powered up. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to be needing quite a few. So yeah, we'll smelt the ingots here. And then we'll make the stuff over there. I mean, we do have that iron node there, but it'll be fine. So we can always build, if we do some iron stuff, we can always kind of build it off that way a little bit. Alright, now I try to remember what walls I used. I think I did this. Which one did I use over there? I think I used this and then the panel. Does it really matter? No, but kinda. Just trying to think of where to put it now. Does it also matter where I put it? No, it really doesn't. I'm also trying to think if we do bring in a truck path or something, I do want space for it to be able to go for a road. Oops, I need to color it. Which we got the colors on here. I'm just going to do the same color as I did over there. Okay. So we need how many? 14 smelters. Oh yeah, I got it over here too. This time I am going to do one smelter per block, just so that they're all squished together. I really don't like that I kept doing that. So 1, 2. Takes a little bit longer to place down, but that's fine. We just need 7 along here. Whoops, then I just did more than 7. Yep. And I forgot to select what we were making here, so I need to copy paste really quick. That one didn't paste. There we go. Perfect. Whoops. Now we can come around here. Is that right? Yeah, okay. I think that one, yep. My hand jiggled a little bit. Not jiggled. Jittered. Yeah, I got a jiggly hand. That makes sense. Okay. So there we go. We got all those now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 14. Perfect. Now we don't need that one or that one. Pull this over here. And then for the other wall, I'm going to use the panels. Let me set the color really quick. And then copy it over. I kind of want to redo my main factory, all the windows. I really like these windows, since you can actually color them. So much better, especially with the door. Like being able to actually color it the same color as the windows now. It looks a hell of a lot better. In my opinion, that just looks, yeah, better. Set this here and that, and copy it. Beautiful. Now get the ceiling on. The roof, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to put it that way, I think. Oops, let me just do one first to color it. And then copy it. Perfect. It's so pretty. Alright, now we need to bring in some power winch. Oh, I can't really grab that one. It's kind of on the wrong side. I could move it to the other side. Which I might do that. Oops, I need to go on the other hotbar. There we go. So go there. Do I want it centered? Does it matter? Apparently it does. Actually make it look good. I don't really want to connect it to that one though. I think it'll be about right there. Maybe in, actually up in a little bit. There we go. That looks good. Then I'll get that one and that there. There we go. Let's get back up. Power, we need the MK2s. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. And go over here. This can probably go over. Well, it'll also go over to power the other one, then that one. That building will power up the train station. Okay, let's get the power in here quick. Painted beam. On... Oh yeah, it is default. I was looking for Zoop. You don't need to put it on Zoop. Okay, now we just need the MK2 outlets. This is easier to do on the ground. There we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Whoops! Didn't mean to color it. Oh well. I need the other hotbar. There we go. This one's only going to go to these two. Did that connect to that one? Why are they still red? Didn't I connect it to power? No power. Why? I thought I connected them. Did I forget to? Oh, I thought I connected that one. Whoops. There we go. Now they have power. So I was still able to hover, so that's why I was confused too, but I got the power underneath me too. Alright, all those are powered up. I think we're gonna bring in from right here. Let me just grab this. Seven, and then get the splitter. Take them down. Okay. So hook it all up. Then we'll go down and get the ore. We're gonna be too close to the machines. Nope, looks good. Actually, I do need it away a little bit because we will have a thing right there. So it does need to come out to probably there. So we can take the product up and over into the next building. I don't want it to clip through the conveyor belt. Nope. Perfect. Okay. Don't need to make the outputs yet, so let's just get down here and get the ore in. Right there. Should just be able to go like this. Perfect. And there it goes, like a blur. And I think there are faster conveyor belts now too. I think those MK6, if I remember correctly. They did not exist in Update 8, so kind of going off what I've seen them mention, I think there's MK6 belts. So that was the... They thought the MK6 belts would have been like impossible in early access. But I'm pretty sure they did it. We'll go ahead and make the output. Perfect. Then it'll come out. I thought I had put this on the, what is it, logistics. I thought I put the conveyor belt hold down there at the bottom. I'm actually going to replace the foundation with one of these. I think it's fine right there. And this is what I needed space right here, so when it clipped through the conveyor belt. There we go. Perfect. Now we need another door right here. I'm going to just copy this one. How much are we making? 200 a minute? Doesn't seem like very much. Okay, but I guess these make less than like iron and copper do. Alright, now we just need a sign. Which I did hotkey that too, finally. I hotkeyed a couple things before I started up today. 200 per minute of the Caterium. Copy that over here. Let's grab this door and we'll put the next building right here next to it. Could make it a little bit more forward though. No, like I said, maybe in case I get a road system or something through here. I don't want to do the same mistake. I made the buildings in our main factory way too close together. And it really made the vehicle stuff horrible. But I think since these two buildings are kind of sharing product, this one going straight to this one, I am going to go ahead and just put it close. But leave enough room in front though. Definitely going to need more foundations, because we need... Is it 16 constructors? Yes, with one overclocked. So we're going to need 8 and 8. So we're definitely going to need more space. Just zoop this down here. And I'm still debating if we should upgrade the factory over there with the MK5 belts, make a second floor, just upgrade everything. Or if I just leave all of that how it is and haul materials and stuff over to other areas and upgrade everywhere else. I don't know what to do yet. I need some more power over here quick. I don't have any. Let's grab that. Bring it over here. I could just kind of throw this around down here. Okay, I think that'll be good for the moment. Let's finish building out this little area. See, I'm only going to be doing 2 rows. We probably didn't need it that long. Let's go into production. Constructors. Yep, we need 16 of them. Oops, wrong way. Yeah, this way. Oh, we're going to need some more of those. No, we're not. We're fine. The reinforced iron plates, we only got 58, but we should be fine. Oops, let me select what we're making here. Oh, there's that alternate. But that only takes that. Oh, that's wire. Never mind. Never mind. Oh yeah, it's called quick wire. There we go. That would help. Alright, so we got that now. Let's go ahead and get the rest in. One more. I'll swip it around. This was all fine for this down the middle, right? Yes. Okay. Perfect. Now let's get this zooped out. Alright, it is going to be the same as that building. Perfect. Alright, let's get this zooped just to kind of fill this in a little bit. I'm not going to cover that up, although I think it would be fine. Yeah, it looks like it's the same height as that one, but I'll leave it for the moment. One thing I could do too, a super crazy thing, which I wouldn't mind doing, but I don't know if I would want to do it on stream, is completely tear down our original factory and redo everything. Get the road system better, get the truck stations actually pushed off the road so they have to go off the road to get in there. Just make everything a lot better to avoid traffic jams, but yeah, I don't know. I mean, I would love to do it, but yeah. That'd be kind of crazy. Or we can just ditch it and move to a different factory. Just make a whole new one over here or something. Who knows what we'll do. Never know with me. I can be a little crazy sometimes with this game. Okay, so we got those now. Oh yeah, I do want to make the conveyor belt thingy here. What windows should I use for these over here now that we got these new ones unlocked? Could just use the reinforced or just a plain window too. I think I just used the plain window on the other side. So we'll do that here too. Yeah, that does look really nice. I really like these windows. They're so much better. I don't know why I held off on doing them. I just think because they look so ugly with the orange. So I'm like, those look horrible. Why can we color them? Now they look good. Okay. Did I bring over this power? I did not yet. Let me not color it. Let's... this one. And we'll also bring that to the other side. Actually, we're going to put it right here, and also, because that'll power the train station probably, and then I'll put another one here, for if there's another building on the side or something. Okay. But you know, if I redo that other factory with the MK5 belts, I'm just going to have to redo it again with the MK6. Huh. I don't know. We'll figure out what to do. We'll see what we need. Architecture, beam. That's just been a debate I've been having since yesterday. This painted. Now we need the... oh, I do need to... 16.67. Let me... so it's gonna be 1,000. Let me do this per minute. So 16.67. So one of these needs to be overclocked to the 167-ish. It's gonna be 100.2. So yeah, it actually needs to be 166.67. Oh wait, yeah, that will be 100 per minute. Okay. Which I could have just typed 100 per minute in there. But I wasn't sure how much that one was going to be. Okay. Now we need to put down the splitters. Oh no, we need to power everything up first. Hold on, I'm getting ahead of myself. Power outlets. We get down here. Oops, I thought I selected it. There we go. 1, 2. 2. Alright, now we can power them up. Then we can do the splitters. Cool beans. Alright, splitters. Not a merger, splitter. There we go. Then we can probably take the finished product and just take it through the ground and over to the train station. Now this is going to be 1,000 per minute. We won't be able to use one conveyor belt. We will have to use two, so we'll split these in half. So we'll split it in half here, take one down and over. I think there's two inputs, right? Yeah, it's two inputs for the train station. Because we will have to do that. I guess the question too is, do I want to take all of it over to the main base, or do I want to leave some of it here? How much do I actually need? Oh, I do need all 1,000. Never mind. I do need all 1,000 per minute for this if I want to make 33 of these high-speed connectors per minute. Okay. I'm actually just going to bring this up like this. And take them in. There we go. So then we need to merge them. So do 1, 2, 3, 4. I think even with this one, I think we'll still be fine. Not that one. This one here that's at the... Why is it 100.002? I guess does that matter? That don't matter, does it? You know, whatever. Let's finish getting these. Then we'll go right here and put a down thingy. And then go finish this. I think oh, we did it right. Perfect. Ish. Then number 5, get the hole. And get that in. Beautiful. We need another door down here. We've gotten better at adding doors, but only one. I need 2, at least. Alright. So this is 1,000 per minute, but none's going to be available for anything, just for the high-speed connectors that we need. What do we need them for? I don't know. Quick wire. 1,000. I should put one of those little thingies. Come over here. I will also add it to the train station too. So the inputs are like that. Okay, so we need to put one right here and one right there. So I go like that and like that. Perfect. So let's get this powered on. There we go. Okay. So this will be a load. Let's Let's get these in now. And since, yeah, I don't need a, I didn't know if I needed a storage container, but I don't think I do. Because there's nothing to store. It's going to be using 100% of these, so hopefully the train, whoops, hopefully the train takes them at the 100 per minute, or 1,000 per minute. I'm assuming it will. Because it's what, 500 per stack, so it should be able to. I should bring this over here more. Oops, I was a little off. Oh well. Doesn't matter. There we go. And there they all go. That is beautiful. So train station is now filling up. Can't do anything with them yet because we kind of need to finish the track. Which is so much fun. That's a lot going up right there. Okay. Awesome. Do I have enough to make the signs, the other sign? So I've been really bad about making these signs. I do have enough to make them. Just trying to think if I want them there or kind of on the two corners. Oh, right there's fine. Probably need one sign just facing that way. Wick wire. If we ever need more signs later, I'll mess with it, but for now, quick wire layout is that one. There we go. I'll go ahead and do this one too. Center-ish. I don't know. Sure. There we go. Awesome. Cool beans. This part is not cool beans though. Okay. I really don't need the flying now, so I'll just put on my jetpack, because we will be mostly doing grounded things, so I don't need to drag a, I don't need to drag the power with me anymore. Thank God. Let's get that. Alright, so I had said what, on the 6th one? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Although it is kind of nice. I mean, being down here, I guess it is a little... It's really different after being so used to building with the hover pack right now. But it's fine. Okay. I need a track. There we go. I don't know. I keep going back and forth. Hover pack might actually be good, especially for something like this. To be able to get it on here. Yeah, I'm gonna do the hover pack. I'm spoiled. But we can just keep the path. Is that not gonna... Hello? I thought it would switch to the... It's not switching for anything. That's weird. Well, let me just manually set it then. Only need that one though. Yeah, setting this along here would be fine. Alright. So yeah, now I can actually set it and make sure it's kind of straight on here. Perfect. I don't know if I should take it straight that way or if I should kind of curve a little bit that way. It doesn't go straight. I think that'll be fine. So we only need one thing going that way. And I'm thinking it was 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to run out of power. So it's right to there. I should just zoop to exactly what we need, then I don't always have to count. Or just do every 10. That might be easier than just zoop 10, put it on the last one. That'll be a lot easier to do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we'll put it there. Grab the power. Stick it there. And then grab the rail. Kind of make sure it's straight. So yeah, let me actually delete these two so that I can just zoom to 10. And put it on the last one. Easy peasy. No more counting. Can't get too far away. There we go. Glad I thought about dragging electricity all along the track. Then it'll also bring electricity other places too, easier, because it'll just be here. I like when I accidentally get smart for a minute. 10. Beautiful. I'll probably put columns down on the underneath that as well, but I mean a lot of this will be covered up in foundations though, so it'll probably be fine like this. Because this is technically the ground, so I don't know how far over to go. I don't know if we should end up going like underneath that. I don't know. Right now this part's easy because there's no thinking involved. I can just go straight. Oh god. Went a little bit too far. Cool. I'm really glad trains don't need fuel. Whoops. Ah. Really should turn down the sensitivity a little bit. I could do that right now. That's a little bit better. I always forget I could just press my mouse to reduce the sensitivity. There we go. Okay, we're gonna have to start figuring out where to go. Okay, so that... I don't know if we should just go around that way. And where are we going to? That's the other question too, but I think it was right up here. So it'd actually be before that arch, because I think that's the arch that I see, or unless that is... Actually, I think, yeah, that's the arch that I see right there. And there is a lot of stuff there, so maybe I will go around the arch. So we're currently going what way? That way? Okay. So we can probably continue going a little bit and then over. Okay. And with making this straight, it'll be easier to make, like, going off, like going into there if I need to pick up stuff, and then reconnecting, so... But that, then I would have to deal with signals, and that scares me. Here we go. It's still a little too sensitive. There we go. Man, I love the cloud. Like every time I go to make like foundations or the track, I'm full up on everything. I love it. Never have to worry about it. Still need to upgrade it more too, though. Because when I go foundation crazy... Oops, I forgot to grab this. When I go foundation crazy, I definitely still run out of materials. There's a lot of places I still need to do foundations that I plan on doing over the weekend. Over by the aluminum to try to connect the silica factory to the aluminum factory. By road. How do I want to go all the way over and then over that way? I think I do. Yeah, because I really do like the idea of taking off from here if I need to go over there or something. Just kind of have this straight along here. I do try to think about the future, but yeah, I usually don't go very well. I usually just let future Okerlund deal with things. Yo. How long this is, I really do get concerned that it's not going to give me 1,000 per minute of the quick wire, but I really think it will. I think it'll be fine. We might need 2 trains, huh? Because it's going to be making 2 stops, so that's why it's like... Unless we have 2 trains and only... Oh no, we'll do 2 trains, or 2 cars. Just 1 train for the 2 products. See how it goes anyway. We can always change it later. It'll be easy to change. Just add another train. Oops, yeah, I forgot that. Because we could also make a track... I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. Could also make a track that kind of goes around the train stations and hooks back up for those trains that don't need to go through there. That could be an option too. We definitely have enough room, and that's definitely something to think about before I get too far. Whoops, I need this. Before I get too far with building these out. But I do like that idea. And if a train would actually use it though, or will they just go through the train station anyway? But maybe they'll go around if there's a train there? I don't know. Hey, there's my factory over there. I see it. Cool. We're getting there. We're not going that far over there, though. We're just going to the edge over here. We do not have space for a train going through my factory town over there. Which is fine. If we ever need stuff hauled in from a train deeper into the town, we can always have a tractor haul stuff from the train station to where it needs to go. So I kind of like the idea of having these trains kind of on the edge of the factory towns instead of going straight through them. But there was a time where I thought that it could be cool having a train going over the top of some of the factory buildings, like putting a train station on top of the buildings, but yeah, I don't know about that. It'd look cool, but I don't know. We can see for the future, maybe. Who knows? I just don't think I could make it look cool. That's the only problem. This is long. Jeez. I'm surprised the track has stayed straight. Oh, I mean, it's a little curvy. Not too bad, though. But straight, nonetheless. Is that one suggestion people have for making sure lines are straight is not connecting this to the next post? Just go like 2 posts down and connecting 2 posts together and then connecting the track up. That's a way to make sure it's straight and just making sure you have it straight along here. That's one way people make them straight, but I don't think I need to do that along here. After a curve, it would be good to do that though. Like after a curve here, I might have to do that to make sure it straightens out. Hopefully that's still good advice. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if things have changed, if it's easier to straighten them now or not. Who knows? Alright, so do we want to... I think we want to start kind of curving. Kind of a gentle curve. We should kind of figure out where we're going. I know we're definitely going past that. I think we're going to be going kind of through here. It's kind of the idea. I don't know if I should just maybe go another one. No. Let's start curving. So I'll go ahead and zoop that this way though, and then... I have no idea where I'm taking this yet. And I'll delete some of these foundations. I just need to get foundations out to know... Well, no, we'll be building out foundations along here probably. Anyway, because we could also put like a tractor path or something too. A road. Okay. So let's try... See how that'll look, I guess. Oh, it's already curving. That's interesting. Okay. I guess by curving because I brought it over. Yeah, okay. Never mind. It's like, wow, it's automatically curving for me. Well, duh, because I dragged it over there. Alright. I just hate this because it's much harder to go straight along here. I mean, you can use these, but... I don't know if it would still be 10 that way, diagonal. Oh, I do want to get rid of some of these, though, for the moment. Yeah, can I zoop diagonally? Like, I don't think I can. I can go like that, I guess. How many? Whoops, that one I didn't do right. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think this is actually going to be longer though, ain't it? Because I'm running out of power much quicker. I don't think we can do 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just do 7. So I do think this 10 is further apart going diagonal. Does that make sense? That don't make sense. I don't know, but this does need to be like right there though. Oops. Actually, it don't matter. That can just go over. No, over... Maybe the 10 would be okay, but I'm just running out of power right here. I don't remember running out of power that quickly. We'll try 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8... Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... Well, that's 9, though. Oh, no, we can't do 10. So just 7, I guess? We'll do 7. And the wire is going to have to kind of go through. Oh well. So yeah, we'll go a little bit this way, and then we'll head off that way. So how many did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on the 7th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. Not that it really matters, but... It's a little curvy. Yeah, a little bit. Oh well. So yeah, we'll go forward another 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we can, oh no, we might go a little bit, another 7 maybe. Whoops, I forgot the... I don't care too much if this is straight or not. It'll be fine. Okay. So yeah, we'll go another 7, see how it looks. Oops. 1, 2, 3. We should probably figure out where we're going. And then we just gotta make it over to the other factory to finish the connection. So this train will have 3 stops. Okay. I think we can start going that way. I think we will be fine. So we'll zoop 10. Yeah. I'm not gonna set the track down yet. I wanna try that, making it straight thing. So if I zoop another 10. This down. And that. Then I grab the track. I pull it from there. I make it as straight as I can. And then I connect that track to this one. If it'll work. Okay. Yeah, it's a little weird, but... it's fine. Okay. I probably had to take that over. I wonder if I should just brought it from there to here, although... that would be too long of a trek. That's fine. So should we go find out where the track's even going to be going to? That'd probably be a good thing to find out, huh? Wow, my sensitivity's really low. Oh. Okay. So we're going to be going through here. So there's a lot of flat area right here. Let's just look up here. So yeah, there's the factory. And we got the copper sheets right here. But if we can bring it in, like right over here on the other side of the copper sheets, kind of take the path through here. So the foundations will be facing, they always go north, or east, west, north, south, right, for the grid, I assume. Pretty sure that's how it goes. So east would be that way. I'm trying to figure out where to take the path so we don't have to really turn. We can kind of just go straight through. That might not work too well. Trying to see where we're gonna make stuff. I mean, the copper's over here. Because then we'll be doing the oil and stuff over here for the plastic. So I think right around here could be the train stop. If we don't have anything over there. What is right here? What are these? Is this the other steel plant? Oh, this is the original part. Okay, yeah, this is the steel. I was thinking it was this part down here, but yeah, I was getting my directions mixed up. It is up here. There's actually some empty space right here we could probably bring it to. But it would have to go kind of around that and up a little bit, but I kind of hate curving it. I don't know how much up we're going to have to go. But then from there, it can go this way along the aluminum and back up here to this train station. I need to rename these by just what they are. Like this is the silica pickup or whatever. Let's go check out over there, like what kind of foundations I need to place down, get that kind of prepared for it. We can get the train station down too, just to have it there. Because I don't think there was any nodes up there. Oh yeah, there's really not. I mean, there's that limestone. We have so much limestone, it doesn't even matter. I mean, there's also this area too. And we can use trucks to haul over that stuff, but there's only one truck using this path right now. Let's go over here. Yeah, this is the area right here. We could take this up. Apparently this is kind of where I was going to be taking it. Excuse you? Okay. That was rude. How far up should we take this? I mean, I don't mind if the rocks poke through like that one does. I don't mind that. I just don't really want the grass to poke through. And there's that factory. We're definitely not going to make a line going down from here. I think that's going to be kind of the only line going down there. And of course you got that way. That is beautiful. Get my chainsaw out of the way. Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay. So yeah. I mean, I'll take some more lines down over that way, but this is going to be like a solid wall. I'm not going to try to connect that up to up here. So that definitely leaves plenty of room for a station right here. And it won't even interfere with that limestone. So let's get this up a little bit more maybe. Right there's probably high enough. Do need to get rid of, whoops, this though, because they won't let you build over that. There we go. Alright, so this will be kind of going zoop. Oh, let's go right over that. Oh, kinda. That's fine. We got some things to tear down. Or take down. Trees. Alright, so train is over there. Yeah, it's not exactly east. Unless we pull the train back a little bit more and come so it can be straight east this way. Wonder if it'd be easier to make the train track here, the train station, and start taking it west, kind of see where it would connect. It might be easier to do that and try to connect it onto that existing track. Over trying to bring it through here and connecting over here. So we kind of need to clear out some space going west. Not all of it yet though, but just so I can see a little bit better. Now we do need to go up and over that though, or we can connect to that and have a little bridge for the train. So that's gonna be, I did not think of that area. We're gonna have to turn. So we can go up and over that, because going over this is just gonna be not something I want to do. So mainly because putting these, what are these supports down on the... Oh, you can't put them down on the curves anyway. On the ramps. So, yeah. But I could make a flat piece, like bring up ramps and kind of put a flat piece every now and then for that. So I could do that. So that could be an option. Take it along here and kind of have a bridge. That'll work. Okay, I talked myself into that. Alright, but the train station could be further down here. Well, we're going to be going back that way, though. Where do I want the train station? Like I said, we could always get trucks to deliver from the train station over to where we need it, so that's not a big deal. Because these roads up here, these are kind of more traveled, but not going that way. That way is not as traveled as going that direction, so heading east along that road would be fine. And we can also make a road up here, too. Make more of a dedicated road. Alright, let's get these trees cut down. I'm definitely pretending I know what I'm doing, so hopefully I'm doing pretty good at that. Because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just making it up as I go. Okay. So the aluminum... Like, how far over do I want? Because like I said, the train needs to go that way. I'm thinking that way more than maybe... Or maybe we don't even need to bring it over this. I guess the train could, like I said, haul it over here. I mean, I'll leave that place. I mean, the train could definitely end up going that way for something else. If we ever get another train going. Guys, we could definitely make... Maybe we make the train station right here. I think that sounds good. I really don't want to take it down there. I'm gonna have the trains kind of going along there, maybe. Is there any other nodes down there that I would... There is a couple other nodes down there, but... Working around a train will be easy, though, because it's just a little track that goes right through there. I was wondering if I should put a train station down there, too, for later, but... Honestly, if we have any train station there, it'll be easy to add on to it. Don't need one now, so we're not going to add one now. Just need to get an idea of how high to make the foundations here. Or if I can just leave it that height, which I think we probably can. Just take one of these. Just take it along here. Whoops. I'll leave that, because I will end up putting some ramps down there. To fill that in. I don't know if these were showing through. I don't think they were. Of course, we got this rock right here, though. It'll probably be fine. The train station will probably fit right here. But I would like a different road. Unless we just use that road. Really, I don't know. Maybe. So we got this existing road here, which no traffic goes on this road yet, I don't think. So I can definitely make use of that. Do I have a straight there? I think I do. Do I? I don't have a straight right there. That's funny. Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Never mind. Okay. Whoops. Keep hitting escape to put my stuff away, but no. It's H. Okay, we need to get rid of this. Okay. So let's go ahead and make the station. But we do need enough space. I don't want to go up and over that. So we do need enough space. I think we're going to have to go over a little bit more. I know we got that huge thing over there. I wish I could see the train track from here, because I think we're coming from over there. Let me go ahead and just zoop this down. And we'll probably make it on this side of that rock. We should have enough space right here. Yeah, we do. Alright, let's get rid of more of these trees. Okay. So yeah, whoops. Alright, let me destroy all this stuff. Okay. Are there any nodes along here? No. Perfect. I think the radar reaches right there, right? Yeah, so there's no nodes right here, which is perfect. Alright, so the train, like I said, we'll need to make sure it can turn away. Okay, it could be right there. Let's get this right centered. Perfect. I think it'll be fine right there. Maybe we can get truck stations here to haul what we need over there where we actually need it. And then we're going to need 2 freight platforms. We'll have it go out that way. Oh, that, well... no. Alright, we need to move this over. So yeah, that we can actually put it right there instead. Okay. Then we'll put in the freight platform. I never know where to aim. I'm trying to aim like there to connect it, but I think you just aim somewhere else. There we go. Just kind of guess where to aim. I think we're kind of in front of it. Yeah, I guess more in front of it. Okay. That makes sense. There we go. Now that's not in the way. Okay, so this is going to be... I don't know which one's which yet, so... I guess you can't name these, though. So yeah, I guess I don't know what I would name these train stations, because yeah, they're definitely going to be different. And this is definitely a big enough turn. It'll be perfectly fine to get down and then kind of through there. Which it's going to be going diagonal for a ways, which is lovely. Totally not sarcastic. Okay. So now this should show up on the map, right? Or do I need to plug it in first? Okay, it does show up on the map. Okay. So where do I have this train going right now? It's funny, I actually kind of thought we'd be done with the train by now. I was expecting this to be like, you know, maybe the first hour of the stream. Is finishing up the train. Nope. We are almost 2 hours. I see a sphere up there I'm gonna go grab really quick. Oh yeah, I think I have the train going all the way over that way, don't I? Oh no, I don't. It's right there. Never mind. I'm in the wrong... Maybe that's gonna be fine. Let's get over there.
Attempt number 7,853,206.
Oh jeez.
Are you there?
Orchestral tuning.
Ah, good. I think I understand better now.
Your curves are beautiful.
How inappropriate. Tell me more.
Your mimic tapestry follows the pattern. It's small
Let's go straight.
circles. It is harmonious.
If I could blush, I would.
Okay. Let's just keep going straight for the time being. Hey, we moving the trains to crash the game? I don't know. I haven't made one yet. I've just been building the track. We can try it. Do I just need to, like, make the train and just delete it? Is that what is crashing it? So I can try it if that's what crashes the game. If I have the materials on me. Yeah? Alright. I'm definitely gonna save it first, though. Okay. See if I have the materials, though. Hey, I do. So, place and destroy. Ah, it does crash the game. Yep. I think so. Unless it just freezes for a minute. I feel like it crashed. That's good to know. Yep, there it is. That is good to know. Okay. Well, I hope that answers your question. That is a yes. I'm glad I saved it. I mean, it does autosave, but... Alright. So do not delete a train. Got it. No problem. That's what I'm here for. Here we go. Alright, I need to make sure I don't overshoot. I mean, we do kind of need to go to the left a little bit, though, because we need to connect right there. So do I go that way around that, or that way? I mean, this way would be a lot of chopping down trees, though. Let's kind of look. What'll be easier? I'm guessing to the left might be easiest. I don't mind chopping down trees, but... if I don't have to... yeah, it is just right there, though. Oh, yeah, it's literally just right there. We'll go through here, I guess. So let's kind of clear out some of these trees. Should see what trees need clearing out, because I don't think I need to do all of them. I can see the train right there somewhere. There it is. So yeah, we will have to come up here as well. So we'll need a little ramp up. Unless we go right through there. A little less of an up, but... Well, that's kind of the way we're going, is if we go right through here. Nice, well thank you. I mean, they're kind of just floating there under here, though. I don't know if I need to put pillars down. But it helps to make your train track straight, too, because you have something to kind of line up with. Alright, let me get rid of these two big ones, too. Alright. And if you take the electricity along the edge, you can use your hover pack if you have one yet. Makes it a lot easier to build, too. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go that way. Can I go straight again, then? Whoops, not there. Where'd it go? Oh, right there. It's not on Zoop. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna have to do a diagonal ramps. That's... I mean, it's possible, obviously, but... time-consuming a little bit. Nice. I hate dealing with trains. It's great once you get it done, though. Oops, I need the electricity over there. Okay. The fun part. So basically... Not on Zoop, there we go. Ramp there. Ramp. Is this gonna connect right there, though? Well... Now it will. And I need... Oh wait, that's not the one I need, is it? Oh no, it's this one. Never mind, I don't need that one. I'm doing the wrong thing. There we go, I need that one. There we go. With this, I don't know if I want this on that, though. I guess we can kind of make a flat one where that'll go. Is this going to make it up there, or is it going to clip? It might be close. If it's too close, I'll move it over, I suppose. It's not too far up here. Whoops, what am I doing there? I think we'll be fine. If it clips a little bit, it clips a little bit. Well, that way's fine. We'll see. Well, damn, I did good. I like when guesses work out really well. Get rid of all this gunk, though. Probably take it up a little bit further, though. So taking it up there. So I just definitely need to figure out... I keep forgetting I have my hover pack on, not my jetpack. Can I get rid of you, please? There we go. Okay, so I need to figure out... Thankfully we'll be able to go straight, so then I'll make... I want this up one more, maybe two more. I think two more. Whoops. Why is escape not working? There we go. And I put that in the wrong spot again. Yeah, I think 2 more, be good. Good lord. I think that's high enough, or should we just go 1 more for good measure? Sure. And how's it look over here? 'Cause, I mean, if we end up using this as a ground, I keep forgetting I have my hover pack on. I think this is fine. Let's have to go up over there. Grab a foundation. Whoops, I wanted the zoop. I guess not yet. Maybe right here. So we can go kind of straight this way than over, and so I'd rather do that than go diagonal. I hate going diagonal. Let's clear out these trees a little bit. Multiple truck roads? Oh, here, I'll show you. This will destroy performance, but give me 1 second. Just so you can see all the truck roads. I think it was under... What was the truck road thing? Vehicle path render distance. So I've done perfectly fine with truck roads. I have them everywhere. I have a ton of trucks. I have not had a problem. Yeah, performance completely tanks being able to see everybody at like 25 FPS. But yeah, I have not had any problem with truck roads. It took me forever to do this. Forever. Well, like 3 hours, but still, seemed like forever. But yeah, I got around maybe 15, 20 trucks maybe. All around the factory in here. Haven't had an issue. I mean, they back up a little bit. I need to figure out a better system, but yeah, it's wonderful. Because they set up just like train tracks, basically. Just better. Now I need to set that back to default. I was always wondering why my performance tanked. It was because of that vehicle path render distance. Put that on default. But I do like being able to see it all. Then you can't see them very far. But I'm not getting 25 FPS anymore, so... Hopefully they optimize that. If they can. Okay. I don't know how far down that's gonna have to go. I think I'd rather connect it from this way, maybe. Yeah, it's fun. I really enjoyed it. It's better than recording the trucks like you used to have to do. Alright, so... Whoops, I missed the tree. I think that's good. I'll just get rid of this one too. Okay. And maybe these ones. Think I'm done cutting down trees. Let me destroy these. There we go. Yeah, so I think I'll take it. It's gotta be. Oh, I might have to destroy those. I might take it this way a little bit further. And then this way. Now let's see where we need to bring this up to really quick. And then we will be connected. I mean, we won't be done, and then we have to take this train all the way over there to the, all the way up here. That's gonna be fun. Where's that other... Oh, it's right there. Got that train station to there, to here, and then back up to that one. Just gonna be a nice little circle right here. Bringing us 2 products so we can make our high-speed connectors. I think we'll just take it kind of down that way-ish. Could take it kind of along that road, maybe. I don't know. I mean, that stuff's kind of in the way, though. I just realized I don't have signs on those buildings. Whoops. Oh, well. That's a future Okerlund problem. Let's go here, and let's create the ramp. Why is that not... No. I made it on the grid. Is this not... I mean, it's not that much off, but... How did that happen? I mean, thankfully, the train's track's still made. It'd be easy to fix. I just have to redo the foundations, not the train. Oh, that's annoying. That's why you always want to make stuff on the grid. But I'm pretty sure, I swear I did, though. Apparently not. Okay, let's just get this down. Let's get the train done. I'll probably fix the foundations off stream this weekend or something. I'm not gonna do that on stream. But that's exactly the reason why you always want to build on the grid. I definitely screwed up somewhere. 100%. Because that is not correct. Because the grid would be like this, which is on. That is not. I mean, it's not off by much, but that's why I'm fine that I won't have to rebuild anything. Okay. The only reason I built the foundations for the train is just so I can go every 10. So they don't need to be exactly in the center. Okay. Oops, I can actually go down one more, huh? I appreciate that. Oh, it's even off that way, too. Yeah, I'll fix that off stream. I'll figure it out. Damn it. What we can do, so I don't just keep building this right now. The other thing we were gonna do, I mean, we need to get... Whoops, where's it at? There it is. We still need to get the copper sheets making and the plastic stuff, so... How many hours have I played in this game? 556 hours. Most of it is in early access, though. Oh yeah, the rails are snapped fine. But it's just like when it comes to like building out the road system and everything, you definitely want everything on the grid to just make it look better so it's not really overlapping. And everything just connects better. So if you hit control, it'll build on the grid. But yeah. So then no matter where you build, you'll always be able to connect the foundations together, because I like foundations, as you might have realized. So, yeah. But we can get started on this other thing that we need to do anyway. This factory building I don't do off stream, so we could get that going now. And I'll fix that off stream. Okay. Which I kind of need a break from laying that railway anyway, because, yeah. I'll probably make more copper sheets than we actually need, because this only needs 400. We'll put this up to 600, though. So how much are we going to be able to make, then? 100. Oh, yeah, I guess we're limited by the plastic, though. But we can make more of the... We can make 300 per minute of these, at least, though. So we're going to need a miner, 20 smelters, and 30 assemblers. And yeah, we're going to come way over here. We're going to make the copper sheets here at this copper, I think. So I think we're using a lot of the ore already in here. Yeah, okay. So we need a miner. Where is it up here? Miner MK2, 20 smelters. And 30 assemblers. So we just need to get some reinforced iron plates and some portable miners. That's it. Cool. I always forget where reinforced iron plates are. I mean, I have this one here, but that one's always... That's completely taken. There's none there. But I think it was this one over here. I think this one I can get some... I definitely need to put these in the cloud. There's a lot of stuff I need to put in the cloud. Which I do have... I do have a sphere. How much is available here? 35 per minute's available, so yeah. And I do have some in here. I don't have another output, though. I mean, I could combine these two and split them off down there. Depends on how much is taken. Or I could just take it out of this and put it into a dimensional depot. I'll just do that. That'll be easier. There. So it's not going to be taking a whole lot from out of here. Okay. We got that in there. Cloud now. Yay. So I can actually get rid of these. I'm not going to get rid of all of them yet, though. Give it time to build up. Okay. Now we need some portable miners. So I should just build some of these equipment things all over the place. I don't know why I keep running back here. Okay. So let me make a mark on the map so I kind of know where I'm going. Copper sheet factory. It's right there. Alright. Let's see where that's at. I'm gonna run out of fuel. Let it recharge. Alright, so how far over here are we gonna have to go? We definitely need to build a road out here. Hey, there's another Mercer-sphere. Oh, is it gonna be way down there? Oh, yes.
Sing your song.
Oh, it's gonna be
Can
way
you
down
explain
there.
what a temple is?
A temple is a vessel body, each a knot in our tapestry. Temples are root, vein, and organ. Temples are our shallow bones and our shallow windows.
I think I understand, but how do you maintain them?
The builder blood grows and kills and distributes.
Like fungus in a forest.
Like fungus in a forest.
I was hoping it wasn't going to be that far down. And we can definitely probably build a road down there because there's no other ores right here. So we can definitely probably build down. Let me... because I just didn't want to cover up any ores, but... I mean, we'll still be high up though. Let me grab the foundations over here and start kind of building. So we do need a road down there. That's because we're going to be delivering the train stations... That's right here. That's going to be bringing in the stuff we need for the high-speed connector. That's what we're ultimately trying to make. So it's going to be bringing in the stuff for that, and this is going to be making some of that, the copper sheets for the circuit boards. And then the plastic's going to be made over here. So I really want to be able to get a truck to haul the stuff over here. So we definitely need a road down. If we can... Otherwise, I could always get a conveyor belt just bringing the stuff up, too. So let me kind of build over there. And I only really like using the 2-meter ramps because they're just not as steep, and I just prefer that. Just these ones. So I don't know how many it's going to take to get down there. You just need to build radars. Once you unlock radars, that's how you can see where the nodes are. That's why some of these areas don't have the nodes shown yet. You just need to build the radars, the radar towers. That's unlocked in the MAM. No problem. Let's go that way. So it is that way. I'm not gonna worry about the tree right now. Let's just get over here. Kind of see what we're working with, how far down we're gonna have to go. Maybe if I come down from over here instead of coming this way, because then we'll have more ways down, a further distance, but ugh, I don't know. Because I don't mind being high up, it's just... I want to make sure I can reach... Well, I guess I have the hover pack though, which helps, so working underneath if I have any conveyor belts under the foundations. So I wouldn't mind it all the way down here. Or all the way up here, I mean. I think I will just make it all... I don't think I'm going to build ramps. I think I am just going to make it this high up. Pretty soon you'll never know. This will all be foundations. You'll never know that there's a big, huge drop right there. So, sure, let's just do that. I don't need that right there, though. But yeah, then I could just have the road coming straight from that road down here and over. I kind of want to get an idea of where the road's going to be, because I'd rather build around the road than build the road as an afterthought. I think the road will be right here. How far down? So we're down there. Okay. So yeah, this will be the road. Let's just go ahead and put the asphalt down. I missed one, missed two, whatever. I'm just missing all of them. I'm just going too fast. There we go. I do need another... Well, where's this one at? The road? Let me see where that road is, then we can just be straight on with that road, because we will be using that one for the train. Bringing it from the train, I mean. Yeah, so we'll be going right here. And it'll be... Can I change that to... I need to get the asphalt foundation here. Oh, I can just copy that one. What am I doing? There we go. Going crazy, that's what I'm doing. Oh, hello. Didn't mean to jump. There we go. Alright. Not that I would have fallen. I mean, I got the jetpack on, but still. Okay, so it's right down there. Oh yeah, we need to bring in power too. Then I can use my jetpack or hover pack so I don't go all the way down there. But I do need to set these down. I think this is a big enough area. I do want to go a little bit further that way, though. And the cloud's going slow. Alright, while that fills back up, we can go ahead and start building, but I do need to bring power, which will bring the power underneath the road. So we don't have to bring poles. Something I should do in other places too, just to get rid of power poles. Alright, where do I have a power? I should have one over here. And I can use my hover pack. Alright, let's just grab you. Let's just drag it along here and then we'll have power. Yeah, if it wasn't for this hover pack, I would definitely be building much closer to the ground. For sure. Then we'll kind of line the bottom of this with power, just so I can use my hover pack everywhere up here while building. Just gotta take this, bring it this way. Okay. That should be good. Can I build from all the way up here? Oh, I need to get down there anyway to overclock. That sucks. Which I could build... Yeah, let me... Oh, it's up there. I do hate sometimes when you open this up, it doesn't scroll all the way up. So it's like, where's the foundations at? You gotta scroll up. Oh, well, the truck stuff is just short distances. Yeah, trains definitely for long distances. Usually I don't have this many tractors going, but I'm doing the random nodes. So there, I mean, I have so much oil out here. So everything is a lot more condensed because I have everything I need in this small area. But it's just better to just move it with the default map and the nodes without it being randomized. You'd probably definitely want more trains for sure. Alright, so let me build the... I'm going to build a foundations down. So I can kind of build power down. so I can get back up easily. But hopefully that made sense. I'm pretty bad about explaining. I'm like the worst. There we go. Right, just hover back up. And bring the power. I got to bring the power down here anyway, I suppose. Alright, let's get the... not power. Production. Miner. Yep, all is fully randomized and every single node is pure. So I kind of figured, kind of cheating, but at the same time, not, because I didn't want like everything to be impure in this area and just make it that much harder. Plus with the randomized nodes, I only have currently 3 Caterium nodes in this whole area. I've kind of got bad luck with Caterium right now. That's kind of why everything's pure, so I can make sure I get everything made. Hey, no problem. There we go. I think a lot of people are doing randomized nodes is making sure everything's pure. Alright, so we're going to be bringing stuff up. I'll probably just use this. Although I actually want these more to the left, and I'll put the conveyor belt in the center. There we go. Very true. Delete that one. I do want to move that one over too. Actually put that one right there. Okay. Now we need to overclock this to 600, which I think was all the way. Yes. Okay. Get that all the way down. There's limestone here. Too close, there's limestone. There's limestone everywhere. It's one thing with the randomized. There's limestone. There's 4 there. There's 3 right there. There's tons down here. It's like this game loves giving me limestone. And oil. I got a ton of oil here too, which is great. But limestone is just everywhere. Alright, let's get this up. So... let me get my... do I need to make this look good? I was gonna make my hallway that I usually make. I usually make like a little hallway for the conveyor belt with surrounded by glass. But it's not gonna be visible down here, so I don't think it matters. So let me just bring this over here. So I'll probably just put it like right here. I don't want to be in the way of that, that though. Why is this so... oh, because I have that. Never mind. I don't know why this wasn't straight on with that, but... I do want it straight-ish. This is where I spawn. Now the nodes do spawn where other nodes would normally spawn. It's just random of what the node is, and everything's randomized. Like where there's iron is probably oil now. Where there's a SAM could be quartz. It's all just random, but the nodes are all in the same place that they normally would be, though. But I just stayed in the normal spawn. In the green fields, or whatever it's called. I do want to put... where do I need to put that at? Is that even where I want to go up? I don't know if that's where I'm going to go up yet. Let me just put this right here. And then we can figure out where that's going to come up at. But we got the copper up here. That's all that matters. Now for the building. I think we'll definitely kind of build out this way, I suppose. Kind of towards a factory that way. I'll just start over here though. I was completely burned out on this game because I played over like 500 hours in early access. Barely played anything after 1.0, but when the randomized nodes come in, that just reignited my love for the games. It feels so much different now. There's different strategies and everything. I'm trying to deal with everything now, too. Yeah, 30 per minute sucks. I like that I can get, right now, 600 per minute on every single node. Ooh, I'm gonna need some more wire. That's another thing I need to get in the cloud is wire. Which we did just find another Mercer sphere. I could go do that really quick. But let me set up the basic layout of how the... for this, yeah, this building here. So yeah, we're gonna put it like right here, I think. Of course, we need a door right there, though. And I forgot to color it. Oops, door's down here. Let me get the color. Not that. I want to make it this color. I'm really liking this color. I mean, it's just kind of a basic gray, but it just looks nice with this. Then I use this one for the second. Let me color it. I really think I'm going to go back over there and change all the windows to these. I really like these windows. And then just a basic wall. Okay. Let's go get some more wire. Maybe put some in the cloud really quick. If I can remember where wire is. I think there's some over here. Hello. On one not to do when it comes to the truck paths, I have traffic jams because I put the truck stations on the road and it causes backups. Don't do that. Don't be like me. Make enough room, because I didn't make enough room when I built these buildings way too close to each other. Make sure you can put them in further so you can have them go in to get stuff, then back on the road. So yeah, and then I got fuel stations set up everywhere. Well, like 4 places, I think, just to make sure they can get fuel too. But yeah, don't be like me. Alright, wire. Where is wire? I should know where the wire is. This is cable, I think. I mean, that is making wire, but I don't have a storage container for that wire. That's quick wire. What was this? Crystal escalators. Oh yeah, I think I have wire over there. Oh yeah, there it is. I see the sign. It's one good thing about making the signs. Know where everything is. Yeah, I've had some back up like 6 trucks waiting for other trucks, and it's just... And they don't know how to like let each other go. So they can be sitting there for like a couple minutes waiting for all the trucks to get by before they finally go. This was the wire? Yeah, should have a... Right here. See, I have this sometimes too, just kind of a little roundabout right in here. That they can just pull in completely off the road too. Let's grab that, and it's also... I think we have enough. We have 322 per minute available. They do not care if you're standing in front of them, by the way. They will run you over. Anyway, got 322 a minute, so I think I will pull... Oh, I'll have to pull it from here, though. I'll have to take it under. Because I definitely want some wire. Oh, I can actually put it right here. Never mind. I want that on the cloud. We can just slap it right here, I think. Whoops, I'm on the wrong hopper. Alright, wires in the cloud. Yay. Which means I can also destroy these. These should be good now. Alright. How come the wire's not purple? It should be purple over there. Oh, it's probably because I already have some there, huh? Yeah, that was why. Okay. Cool. Still need to upgrade the cloud storage, but that's fine for now. Okay, was there anything else I needed? Oh, while that wire gets built up. I don't think so. I think we can head back. How are we on power? Yeah, our max consumption is still over our capacity, but our regular consumption is not. There's a lot of machines that are just idling right now, so we will be getting turbo fuel though. The part of getting these high-speed connectors to get the plastics, we're also going to be making turbo fuel. We'll be able to make 22 generators, so that'll give us a lot more power too. So that will be nice. Take it easy, man. Thanks for hanging out and hope to see you again soon. Have a good one. I'm not going to worry about chopping down these trees yet that are kind of covering everything. I'll do that this weekend. It'll be nice actually getting a factory up, since dealing with trains for the first 2 hours of the stream. It's kind of nice doing a little something different right now. Alright, so we need 20 smelters, so 10 in a row here. Production, assembler. Oops, I also need to get my hover pack on. There we go. Alright, and I'm just going to put one on each one again, because I do prefer that. One on each foundation. So they're not packed in like sardines. 3 more. We'll need to expand that a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah, I didn't expand all this because I had run out of concrete, but got enough now. Okay, and it's raining. I forgot to select what all these are. We do that really quick so I don't have to do the copy paste on every single one of them again. The paste does not always work. Okay. Let's get paste on that one, then we'll continue building, and they should all build with this now, so don't have to change these buildings over. Okay. Now we can finish building this out. Get the power in here, and then we'll bring in the coal. Not the coal, the copper. Wow, my brain is fried. It's kind of nice that it's the weekend. I don't stream on the weekend, so I need the 2-day break. Okay, now let's get the ceiling on. Let's get it colored, then copy it. Oops, I was right. Alright, let me delete that. I want to put another door in there. Alright, let's get the power in there now. So how I'll do this, I'm gonna grab the power. I'm gonna put it right here. Then I'm gonna kind of drag it down. Whoops, wrong hopper. Drag it down. I want to kind of... Why can't I put it right there? Sometimes that's really... Usually it should flip it, so... That's really weird that it's not turning into the other thing. Because what I really wanted to do was make sure I get it so it goes kind of through the wall. I'm gonna have to put this down and then... Oh, it's probably because it's the, So actually what I can do... I know why it's doing that. I need to put one of these down. Then it will. Yep, that's what I was afraid of. Then I'll just delete that other one and pull it back up. So I want to make it sure it looks good. Probably over... Oopsie, wrong button again. So of course I did. So you can't hit the H button to... Oh, I already had it on H. Never mind, I'm an idiot. So pull that back over. Then do it a little nudge. Oh, you can't nudge it. Oh, just a little bit? Shoot. I guess that's fine, though. Because some things you can hold control and nudge it halfway instead of the whole way. I didn't know that didn't work with these. Oh well. I'll connect that to power. Okay. Oh well. That's got power now. Now we need to get the... I really like the sound of the rain on the roof. Anyway. Get the beam. Although it doesn't sound like it's on the roof anymore. It sounds like it's in here. Is that down the center? Yeah, okay. This is where the power is going to be delivered from. That did not go where I wanted it to. That actually went the wrong way. Okay, now I need to color it. So I don't mind like coloring the machines and everything too. It just takes so long when you get to coloring the conveyor belts and the splitters and the mergers and the power lines, and it just gets a little bit crazy. Oh, it's funny, that blended in. I was like, okay, where did the beam go? Because I thought that was the wall. It's right there. Okay, let's get on the ground. It's easier to do this down here. Let's grab our power. There. 1, 2. 2. Okay. And the power is... Where'd I bring in the power from? Whoops, I'm on the wrong copper too. I'm turned around. Oh, I had done the wrong thing. That was why. I'm like, where's the power line? I forgot I need to redo that really quick. I had to change it to this one so that I could make the line straight down. I need to get this back. Then put this back down here. There we go. Now it'll be in here. I was so confused there for a minute. I mean, I'm always confused, but still. I was even more confused than usual. Okay. Now we just need to bring everything in, which... Let's see, I might move the door, which I always tend to have to anyway. I think it'd be better if I just move it right there. Because I'm going to bring in the ore right here. I kind of like it in the center. Oops, it'll go straight that way. And I just do a splitter all the way around. This really ain't the best way to do it, but it'll just take a little bit longer for everything to get to the final one, but it'll get there. It doesn't bother me if it takes a little bit extra time to get there. Alright, let's get all these hooked up. Ah, that one went off a little bit. Alright, now I do have to use a little bit of space because when I merge these, I do need a little space right there. So I think it will be going that way. Yeah, the copper sheets factory going to be there, so they'll be merging this direction and then going out from up there. Okay. I'll put this back on default. Let's go connect, get the, get that. Wrong button, there we go. Just bring this over. Doesn't have to look pretty under here. There's all the copper. Alright, now they are turning green. They are turning on. Beautiful. Yeah, I'll do that later. I was going to start making some foundations over here for the truck stop, but don't need to do that yet. Okay. Then right next door, because this will bring out right here. So basically it'll come in, I'll make a little hallway connecting the two buildings together. So we need, how many of these? Where is it? 30. So we'll do 15 per row. So it'll be the same width then as that building, just a little bit longer, so we do need more space out this way. We need to go down and also, yeah, he's almost out of power. I need to bring some more power to this side so that we don't fall. Where's it at? There it is. So just kind of drag some power down here for our hover pack. That should be good. I think that'll be fine, because I think, yeah, when we come... Yep, that's good. Okay. So I won't load the rest out yet. I don't know how far over we're going. So yeah, we do need... I could go ahead and mark this as done, just so I know. Easier to see. Been pretty bad about getting that updated, because this also needs updated. Because this is also done. 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 And these are also... Oh, I already got those done. Okay. So yeah, we're at the copper sheet stage, and then we'll need to do the plastic, which will be Monday. Alright. And I will hopefully have the foundations fixed. Hopefully. I should. Okay. Let me get the assemblers. Let me just put one down so that I can select the part. I want it there. I think I usually put it kind of there. No, I think I usually do put it over. I think it's fine right there, though. Oh, wait, I don't need the assembler. I need the... No, I need that. I saved the wrong thing. Whoops. That confused me because I put the wrong thing over there. I don't need an assembler. I need a constructor. I need 30 of these. Right? Yeah. Whoops. There we go. Okay. Glad I noticed that, but I mean, I would have noticed it when trying to pick the item in here, because copper sheet would not be there. Alright. So we need to take this along 15. So, yep. And we need to build this out. Let's do 3 more. Okay. Now would I put this right there? Looks like it. Yep. And I know I could overclock these machines and make half of them, but where's the fun in that? I like more machines the better. There wasn't any... Okay, these are just 30. Okay. I think we're going to end up having like 100 left over to do whatever with. Because we are making a little bit more than we need for the high-speed connectors, so... Maybe I should have made this a little less wide, maybe out that way a little more, but you know what? It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Right here, I think? Yep. Okay, I need a drink of water really quick. Okay. Now the ceiling. Zoop down. Oops, that went the wrong way. Make sure it's that way before I click. There we go. That's the wrong way. There we go. I think... Okay, that was good. Okay. Yeah, this is a little bit big. Little longer than usual. But you know what? It's fine. Okay. So now we need to... I'll go ahead and connect these up. Whoops, I forgot to put that right there. Was my hand jittered right there? The sensitivity's still a little high on the mouse here. And then while I'm here, might as well put it in the floor. And the wall, which is under walls. Then I need to color it. Did that one get colored? Yeah, okay. Beautiful. Alright, now we... Kind of getting ahead of myself though. I need to bring power in. And these are all set to copper sheet, right? Yes, okay. Yeah, it's gonna make what, 300 a minute I think I said? Yeah. And we're only gonna need 200, but... We'll have some left over, which is always good. Always use more copper sheets. Okay. Yeah, and of course that door will probably need to be moved again, but actually no, that door's fine. Because it's going to be coming in from up there and down. Okay. Let's get the power in first. So I want to take... I could actually take from those. Let's do power. Double right here. Then take this. Connect it there. Alright, let's go get the power across there now. And 2. 1, 2. I'm gonna need some more quick wire pretty soon, ain't I? And 2. Okay. I like doing it from this way just so I can make sure everything's getting lit up. So make sure it's all power. They turn yellow. I thought I did that wrong. Yep. Jeez. I really need to do better at clicking, huh? Or aiming. Okay. Looks like they are all yellow. So we'll go ahead and get the splitter here. And off it goes. All the way around. There we go. Nope. You know, being able to go this fast with some mistakes, which is my fault, really goes to show how great this game is at, like, hit detection. Like, it knows exactly what you want to do. Wow, I just keep doing that, though, don't I? It's kind of easier without the hover pack, though. I usually do it like this, which is a little bit easier. I'm still getting used to the hover pack, because when you stop, it doesn't completely stop. So it can make me mess up a little bit. I do want that straight. There we go. Oh yeah, I don't have those hooked up yet. I was like, okay, where is it? I gotta go get it. Gotta merge them all first. Should just go down here. I could have started from anywhere, whatever. Anyway. Yeah, we're gonna merge it that way. I think I did that one wrong. I'm starting to get the hang of the jetpack though. Alright, so now we're going to be taking this up. This was why I kind of had that belt a little far away there, so I had room for this. I don't mind if it clips through that. So I say it more looks like it's kind of built around that instead of actually going through it. So, I don't mind it. Alright, then everything here should be going. Well, not everything yet. It'll take time to get all the way around. Alright. We can go ahead and set up some mergers, though. Coming that way. And we will get a storage container for them, which will hold all the information about it, like how much we're making, how much is available, where it's going. Stay organized a little bit. Just going, yeah, okay. Cool beans. There they all are getting made. And yeah, we'll set up like an out right here. And I'll just put down a storage container. Oh, right there. And just right in. Then we just need a sign here. Need a couple signs. Actually down slightly. So this is how many we're making. We are making 300 per minute. Of copper sheets. And put them on the door as well. And same with the other door. These are what? 600 per minute on these ones. Copper ingot. And then copy that. And bring it to the other door. So I think this door got moved. Yeah, it's right around the corner. Mainly because of that, so I don't walk in and just run right into that. Alright. Let me go ahead and make a sign. I don't really need a sign on the copper ingots. I mean, I guess it'd be fine. I guess I have been doing some signs on those. Do we have supplies? We do. Okay. I think it'll be good since... I don't know how much we're going to be able to do. I'm going to kind of put it right here on the corner. We can always move it. Let's put the layout as that. There we go. And we'll go ahead and put one on this one too. Because why not? Nice. Oh, it is letting me put it more in the corner now. It wasn't letting me do that before. Is that something they fixed or... I don't know. Because I always had to be off center by a little bit. Now I can put it there. Interesting. And I haven't tried this since the patch yesterday, so... I don't know, maybe they did. Okay. Copper ingots. Awesome. So yeah, then the truck station will actually be kind of across the way over here. I'm not going to build it yet, but I do want to... kind of build out some of the foundations here. How much time we got? We got about 20 minutes. So I could end a little earlier since we're kind of at a stopping place, but go for a little... we can go for a little bit, get these all set down. So there's really not much else we're going to be doing in terms of like building out factory stuff, because we got this. We can actually mark this as done now. So then on Monday, we will start doing all of this, which will be fun. And it was, depending on where the sulfur was, is why I decided to finally build over here instead of building everything over here. There's no sulfur over here at all. None. We have sulfur way over here, which is, that's what we will be using. I think, is that one here? I don't think, I thought there was one closer. Yeah, we got some coal and sulfur so we can make the compacted coal. Because we're going to need that. For the turbo fuel, we don't need it, but I thought it'd be good to might as well get the turbo fuel and get some more power going. So we don't need that for the high-speed connectors. We need somewhere for this to go. So the residue. Might as well put it to use, huh? Alright. So yeah, let's finish kind of taking this out. Could also clean off this road as well and get the with this road. One thing I'd like to kind of get in the habit of doing is kind of make a road around each factory. I mean, this one don't matter because they're connected. But I wouldn't mind like making a road around each one. Like kind of make a little block. Because more roads the better. I mean, then it maybe won't get as congested. And hopefully not put as many... Oops, I can actually put this closer. I don't know why I went there. Let me... Because the truck stations for these two will actually be across the road. So... Yeah, I do need those two. In here, I can actually just put this. There we go. That's better. Then we can go ahead and make the truck path as well. Get that done. So that's all prepared and ready and all the good stuff. This one we can actually drag out. Another one. So I don't want it up against that, so... There we go. Perfect. At least it wouldn't have mattered, but nah. Do I have copper sheets? I don't think I have copper sheets. Oh, I do have copper sheets in the cloud. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and get this finished. I'm just going to build one kind of on the outside here really quick. Oh, there's a hard drive over there. Look at that. Could go over there and see that really quick. Do I have that on my... No, I don't have that on my... So I haven't found that yet. Go over there really quick and see what it is. See what I need for it anyway. Need my jetpack though. Just need some power. Do I bring power over or should I just make a thingy? Do I have enough? I don't have any biofuel on me though. I mean, I do have... I guess I do have biofuel. How much power does it need? Oh, it's only 40. Let me just put one down. So I think I can just overclock it then. Can you overclock these? You can. There we go. Well, then I need to... Power. There we go. That was easier.
Freighter records indicate this comes from the past, which is normal.
Yeah, that is normal. That's funny. I don't think I need any of this. I don't think there's anything else. Oh, there's another piece. I think that's it. Okay, cool. Got another hard drive. We will turn that in on Monday. I won't turn that in over the weekend. I will wait on that. Should just build some more doors because why not? Although if I build another door, I need to build those too. Oops, I have my jetpack still on. There we go. Door. And sign. Can never have too many doors. I'm just gonna just get this door, but I need the sign that's over here. And then a doorway down there. There it goes. It's like we're gonna need some more quartz crystals too. I don't know if that's worth putting in the cloud. I mean, really don't need a whole lot. It's only for the signs, I think. Whoops, did I not merge? I forgot to put those in. Whoops. Let's fix that, huh? There we go. Let's do that. Don't want to clip through that, so... There we go. Now they're all going. Beautiful. Alright. Destroy these. That's... Oh, I got a lot of crap on me, don't I? Okay. And wire I did make into the... Yeah, I did put in here, so I don't need the wire anymore. Thought I seen wire. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah, one thing I might do off stream too is try to find some more... I'll go search for some more spheres as well. I mean, the main thing I need to do first is to fix the foundations, because I didn't do them on the grid, and that sucks for the train. So I will fix that over the weekend. Pretty sure, well yeah, on Sunday I should have plenty of time to do some stuff, so... Let's finish this up here. Oh man, I'm getting tired. Alright, let's get this stuff taken down. The trees. I just thought so. I don't know why I didn't think of it before, but if you put fuel into the cloud, will you use what's in the cloud, or do you need it in your inventory for the... Like for the chainsaw and the jetpack? I don't know if you'll use it from the cloud or not. That'd be nice if I could get it from the cloud. I mean, I guess you can always just drag it over. I guess that would be fine too if you have to do that. But, okay. Let me go ahead and make the truck path quick. I can do that before I get off. Alright, so we need this going this way. We will have this turning this way as well. Okay, let's get this around. Wait, I'm going the wrong way. No, I'm not. That's right. Okay, never mind. 'Cause yeah, I will be delivering product. Probably. I mean, I like just having these up anyway. Even if I don't know if I'm going to be using them, but I'm pretty sure I will be. Unless we end up bringing product here, either way, we're going to need the road, so... I love how easy this is. Okay, then from here, if for some weird reason they want to go back right again, they can go right again. Or they go left, which I'll go ahead and go this way really quick, and then I'll come back. So this can connect there. And they can also turn right. Alright, I think we got every direction accounted for there. Let's go back. It's funny, before I started doing this path, I was like, oh, I only got like 12 minutes left. This is gonna take too much time. Yeah, this ain't taking much time. I can get this done. So this way. Oh, can I not? Okay, we need to go. We'll go this way. Okay, I don't know what was wrong there, but we're fine now. Let's get this connected up. And then if for some reason they need to turn right here, they can. But I guess once we get it more expanded out roads and everything, they might need to turn there. I like having every option available, so maybe we don't gotta come back through and make it available. It's already there. Alright, so I think the road's good. I won't set up the truck stations yet, because I don't know exactly where they would go. I mean, probably over here, but... yeah. We'll definitely see. Could even put it over here, too. I don't know. Just depends on what's needed and where. If we're bringing in stuff, or if we need that somewhere else. So... you know, one thing I could do off stream, too, is get a lot of this filled in with foundations, too. Because foundations are awesome. Alright, that is looking good. But yeah, I'd really like to change these windows. They look so much better with the ones I use over there, in my opinion. Just so I can actually color them. Everything would just go together a lot better. I need to change that roof, too. That was one of the first buildings we made. I do not like that at all. I thought I would, but it just looks silly. Maybe if it was still... maybe if it went higher, but it couldn't go too high because that mantra flies right here. Or manta, whatever it's called, that thing. He flies right over this. I don't know how low he flies. So. But yeah. This is looking good. Yeah, it would be good to get the other... if I want to change those... using... these just a single window, I think it'll look a lot better for the conveyor belt too. Because I was using this one, but I would run into it constantly because you can't really see it. I was constantly running into the windows. It was kind of funny. But, what was over here? I don't know if I should put a ceiling over this. That just looks kind of funny, don't it? Let me put a ceiling right there. Let's just cover that up. As this building was a little weird to make. It's kind of in a bad position with the miners. Because it needed 2 miners. Actually, it's using 4 miners. I think this is... I think 2 miners are doing the ones down here and 2 for up there. So this is 4 different miners. So this building was just kind of an awkward place. But... yeah. This one's going to be difficult if I upgrade it to the MK4 or 5. What are they using right now? It is 900 per minute. Yeah, it is using the MK4. Okay. Yeah, I have the MK5 now, and that's what I'm concerned about with this whole factory is, like, some of these, like the iron ingots, just add another floor, put in the faster speed, overclock the miner. That's good. A lot of these I can just add another floor to. But some of them, like that, will just be more difficult to do. But we'll figure it out. We also got this one, which is already making almost 2,000 screws per minute. Which we can actually increase that to, which is crazy. They're not all going, they're not all totally being used, but... anyway, the goal for next week is definitely to get the high-speed connectors hopefully going. Get some turbo fuel, get more plastic going, and get that train finished. So... that's going to be it for me. Thanks so much for hanging out, and yeah, I will be back on Monday around noon Central Time. I usually try to get on a little earlier. I don't stream on the weekends unless I get bored or something, but it probably won't be this game if I do. So, anyway, take it easy. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. Peace.